have a half a cup of softened butter and 4 ounces of cream cheese. Now after I had combined the butter and the cream cheese, I put 1 cup of my favorite sweetener. I put in 5 eggs. I put in 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. And then I did a lemon, almond, and vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon each. That's 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Combine and blend all of the ingredients at least for 2 minutes. Now, if you have any of the batter on the sides of the bowl, which I did earlier, I took a silicone spatula and I scraped it back down into the mix, and I'm blending until I see a nice, it's going to be coarse, but a nice coarse, smooth consistency. Now, as you can see, as I scrape the bowl down, this is the consistency that you need to have. And then, and it's not really rough looking, it's nice, smooth, but a little coarse, but that's okay. And then I'm going to fold in my blueberries. Just fold it in, not rough, fold it in. Okay, my lovelies, and then I took some parchment paper, cut it in a circle as best I could. It was laid in the bottom of the pan, and then I'm going to put my filling in the pan. Okay, now the filling is in the pan, and I'm going to put this at 350 degrees to 35 to 40 minutes. Now, I do like how my mom used to do. I would lift the pan and I would just let it drop so it levels all off. Now, I did smooth it out a little bit, but then I lift it up, boom, drop it, and it levels off nice and easy. So let's put this in the oven, and then let's see what the results are. Okay, here are the results. I just flipped her over. I had it in this pan, and I just flipped it over with the parchment paper. And then I'm going to put some powdered sugar over the top. And this is what I'm going to be using as a powdered sugar to put over the top. Okay, I just use 1 tablespoon of the powdered sugar. Didn't put a lot, but just a little. And this is how she's come out. Look how beautiful and dense that cake is. Oh my goodness. Well, this is the lemon blueberry low carb cake. And I'm going to continue to experiment with more recipes, and I hope you like this one. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. This is Bonnie from Keto Lifestyle 50 Plus. Have a great night. Bye bye.